Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all?
Where you run up to this morning?
Hey, shh, 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 shh.
I don't know what that means.
Shh. Silence.
I don't know what that means.
Silence.
I don't know how.
Today we're about to be heading over to my boy Jamar's and we're about to be picking up the turborado. It is done, cam's in. Mar already sent me an exhaust clip of that thing. It's chopping. There's a few things that he had to address and fix or whatnot, but for the most part, the truck is back running. So all that's left is I need to schedule out a tune with my tuner. But yeah, that's what we're about to be getting into today. So you guys are gonna be hearing that, the new cam for the first time. So no further ado, let's get ready to get going and head out to go grab the truck.
It's empty. You wasn't hurting my feelings.
What you drinking?
Tea. Stop!
You gonna make her fall off that chair. Mm-mm.
Look at you.
All right, man, we about to be getting it going. I do want to take this thing back out and see. My plan is to see if I can best. I think I ran 11.7. Is that what I ran last time in those NA? 11.7?
Yeah, something like that.
It was 11.7, 11.8. I think it was one of those, whatever. But I did that when it was NA with the street tires, exactly how it sits. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I want to take it out exactly how it sits on the street tires, and try to best my time. My goal is to get this thing in the 10s on street tires. These aren't our compound. They're nothing special. They're literally like $200 eBay tires, but you guys seen in the videos that they do work. I just got off the phone with Alex too. We were talking about kind of like the plans and stuff for the C5. She heard that conversation. Mm-hmm. So I think, seeing how I love the way the C6 is, but I really think that the C5 should be faster than my C6. Like theoretically, it's a bigger motor. It's fully forged, it's stroked, and the whole shit. So there's no reason why my C6 should be making more power than my C5. Other than the limiting factor is the LS3 heads flow way better than the 243 heads that we have on the C5. So the plan is to probably get some of the Saxby shop castings that are produced by Frankenstein. And then I think we're probably gonna put a bigger blower on there because the C6 does have a bigger blower than the C5. So I think I'm gonna go even bigger than the T-trim for the C5 and put a YSI on there. The plan is to make the C5 probably if all goes planned, the C5 will probably be the car that's probably maybe faster than the SC. In the future, the C5 is probably gonna be my car that's on the drag pack all the time, and the car that I plan on doing the freeway runs and taking to Sonoma for Wednesday night drags and all that shit. So yeah, we are gonna build a purpose-built drag car for the channel, and I think I'm gonna do that with my C5. I love the C6, but I can't justify messing it up. This car it works so well as it sits. It's comfortable, still has AC, like the whole shit. I still got my gym bag in here. Leave it alone, leave the C6 alone?
Yeah, leave it alone.
Before you break it. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. All right, let's go grab the truck. We just getting here to my boy Mars. The truck's in here idling or whatnot. I think they're over here charging the AC and stuff up. See, new AC condenser, everything in there, huh?
Alright.
It's quiet because the exhaust is all muffled. You ended up doing just new shit. We'll go into that later, but yeah, I'll tell y'all kind of like the things that he did and fixed and replaced and whatnot, so y'all can hear the new cam. This is a Texas Speed Stage 2 truck cam. Hit me with E85 exhaust fumes. Died. Still need to get this thing tuned now that it has the cam in there. So it's gonna run a little funky right now for the time being. Sounds cool though. I'm tempted to pull that muffler out of there. That way we get the chop on this thing. Yeah, she need a tune hella bad. Shit sounds good though. It's a little baby chop. Alright, so just getting the turborado back to the house. Car ran fine, or well, I keep wanting to call this thing a car. Truck ran fine all the way here. Didn't get on it or anything because I know it needs to be tuned, so kind of just drove it here. It's getting closer and closer to being a monster like the rest of the cars. AFR, everything looks good at idle. Idle is pretty low though. You can see it's like 500. Idle kind of needs to be bumped up, but I'll let my tuner do all that. Let y'all hear this thing one more time. Granted, it doesn't sound like the C6, C5, or the 350Z or anything, but I think it sounds good. I think part of the reason why we don't hear much of like a heavy chop is just because of the mufflers that are on here. I do have a set of boiler attacks that I could put on here. I'm really tempted to do it because the Borla on the C6 sounds amazing, and the Borla on the LSA 350Z sounds good. So I'm kind of tempted to throw the boiler on there and see how this thing sounds. I need to swap out these lights, man. I love the look of them, but as far as visibility go, they're not that great. So I have a set of projectors inside that I'm gonna probably throw on here. Turn this thing off, and I'll go show you all the new lights and shit that I'm about to throw on. All right, let me open some of these packages, man. I just been ordering stuff, haven't been checking stuff. So I'm gonna get over here and start opening some of the stuff. That way I can get some of these boxes on my house and shit too. All right, so these are the new headlights that are gonna be going on the Silverado. See right here, this is just a projector housing. And then these ones actually don't come with the kit. This is a separate brand that I pretty much just tried to match up. That way they both were the same. But it looks like they're pretty identical, so you wouldn't be able to tell. It's just literally a blacked out housing for the turn signal section of it. But I really like the lights that I have on there more, but I feel like I need the projector, man, to be able to see at night. It just doesn't have a good beam pattern with the current lights on there because the housing's all black, and then it just doesn't reflect that well. So that's why I want to get a projector housing for it. And then NRG sent over some stuff. You guys know they're one of my sponsors. One of the lug nuts were missing on the C6, so I just had them send me a new set of lug nuts, and then they also sent me a new hub lock, quick release setup. Just a lock for one of the quick releases. And then these are the spacers that I had ordered. That way I could put the drag pack on the C6, because what was happening was when I put the drag pack on there, even though they fit the C5, it was hitting the freaking brakes on the C6. So I went and got like a 15 mil spacer. That way, if I wanted to, I could actually throw these on the C6. All right, so I'm gonna get these new headlights swapped on real fast. This will be the last time y'all see these Johns on there. You can see right here, this one's always hanging down because it's a freaking tap broken. So yeah, there's also gonna be a little bit of wiring that I need to redo because we had to kind of splice into it to get the LED daytime running lights to work. So I kind of gotta make sure, basically undo that though. But yeah, last look. And there we go. That's what the new lights look like. Oh yeah, pull this plastic off these things. I actually like them. I thought I wasn't gonna like them, but they make the truck look kind of like a newer truck. Now you see like TLs and stuff with newer style headlights. Kind of what that reminds me of. So they don't look bad. Yeah, these looks good. So we'll wait till a little bit later. That way we can turn these on and see how bright they are. Obviously, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it with the spirit bomb of a sun sitting right here. See, I can see this thing with the hood down. Yeah, I like them. Yeah, I think they look dope. I like them. Alright, so it's looking like it's getting a little dark outside, so we'll go out there shortly. But yeah, I want to show y'all this, you know what I'm saying? Meal prepping. I just got done cooking. I cooked all. But yeah, so we had to end up changing up meal plan, man. My strength and conditioning coach got all butthurt. He was mad at me because I had to eat like yogurt and fruit, right?
Huh?
He got mad. I was eating yogurt and fruit.
No, he got mad because of the graham crackers.
It was 2 graham crackers.
Yogurt's fine.
I want to show y'all these lights now. So yeah, walk around one more time for y'all. I think these look dope, man. Can't wait to get all this color matched up. I think that's what I really need, to get all this color matched up. I had ordered an HD grill, bro, but they canceled the order on me. Ordered the HD grill and the HD bumper insert because I think it looks pretty dope. But they canceled it, so now I'm just gonna stick to my original theme and color match the hood and bumpers and everything and call it a day. I need to adjust these things. Yeah, y'all can see. Ooh, yeah, that looks brighter. You can definitely tell. And I can see right here the projectors are giving like a better cutoff light or cutoff beam. You can kind of see it. Before it was just like all over the place, but I mean that's the point of projectors. Projectors give you a nice cutoff line. Let me hit the fog lights. See how it looks with the fog lights too. It looks modern, man. It looks good. Nice and modern. Need a thumbnail. Alright, man, so that's gonna be a wrap for today. I know this video is pretty short, but didn't have much. I was actually supposed to be going to Jensen's to do the podcast today, but I think we're gonna do it tomorrow when we pick up Black Aaron's Fox body. So we should have his Fox body back tomorrow. More than likely I'll be with that fool all day, and then from there I think we're gonna go head to Jensen's and get the podcast done. So yeah, let me let you guys, oh my god, I'm tongue tied, probably a combination of this gum and trying to talk too fast, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new headlights, man, and what do you think of the new cam? Can we get some guesstimates how much y'all think the truck's gonna make as far as power goes? Turbo cam 5.3, 14 pounds, 73 mil turbo. I want to hear some guesstimates. I'm interested in seeing what you guys think it's gonna make. Maybe we'll do like some type of special giveaway or something for the person that guesses the correct number or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But like always, man, appreciate y'all. Love y'all greatly. Thanks for always tuning in and rocking with your boy. Love y'all, man, for sure. Have a good one.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed.